Hey Ford owners, have you been chasing down weird check engine lights or the annoying P163E code after a recent transmission repair? I've got the inside scoop on Ford's official fix for 10R80 transmission problems, especially if you drive a 2018-21 Expedition or Navigator, a 2018-20 F150 or Mustang, or a 2019-21 Ranger. Here's what's happening. When the transmission's main control valve body gets replaced, some owners end up with the check engine light on and the P163E trouble code. This isn't random. It's a tech issue where the new valve body's solenoid strategy file doesn't match up with your car's computer software. Ford knows about it. There's a Technical Service Bulletin out, TSB 22-2339, also logged as NHTSA ID 10220-379. It's not a recall, so don't expect a free fix unless you're still under warranty. But if you're affected, here's what you need to do. Tell your dealer or trusted shop to reference TSB 22-2339. The secret? When reprogramming the transmission, they should only enter the 13-digit solenoid strategy and leave the solenoid body ID blank, just like the TSB says. Now, let's talk about what real Ford owners are saying online about this fix. On forums and Facebook groups, people have been sharing their experiences with TSB 22-2339. Many report that after their dealer followed the bulletin and entered only the 13-digit solenoid strategy, leaving the solenoid body ID blank, the check engine light and P163E code disappeared for good. One F150 owner said, "I was skeptical, but after the reprogram my truck's been running smooth for months, no more warning lights." Others have mentioned that it's important to double-check the dealer actually follows the TSB instructions, since a few had to return when the shop missed that crucial step. Some users also recommend bringing a printed copy of the TSB to your appointment, just in case your service advisor isn't familiar with it. Overall, the sentiment is positive. Most owners say this fix works, and they're relieved to have their vehicles back to normal. Just be sure to confirm the shop follows the exact steps, and you should be good to go. So if you're seeing this issue after a valve body replacement, don't sweat it. Just have your dealer follow the updated steps. And if you're under warranty, you shouldn't have to pay extra. If you want to know if your Ford qualifies, or needs step-by-step instructions to check the programming, drop a comment down below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your Ford story in the comments. Thanks for watching.